Hello students, now we will see about special types of roots and plants called as epiphytic roots seen in epiphytes. What are epiphytes? Epiphytes are the plants that grow on other branches of plants or other stems of plants and absorb nutrients from the host plant at the same time. They or some types of plants will be preparing partially their own food material, and their roots absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So epiphytes are also called air plants. They live on branches of other plants. Their roots are called epiphytic roots. These roots are made up of special type of dead tissue that is hygroscopic in nature. Roots are made of spongy dead tissue that absorbs moisture from air. That dead tissue is called velamen. So these roots are also called as velamen roots. So epiphytic roots, also called as velamen roots. First, suppose this is a big plant that is growing, and these are the branches of this huge plant. Then the epiphytic roots are clinging from the main branch. We can give a term like the whole plant is epiphyte. Roots are clinging into air. Next, these roots absorb moisture. Already we have written that point here. So this will be the host plant, host branch. Such types of plants are called as epiphytes. Next, under these, since they are absorbing moisture, so as these roots absorb moisture, they are also called hygroscopic roots. Hygroscopic roots. Under these epiphytic roots or velamen roots, some roots are photosynthetic in nature. Under this non-photosynthetic, we can give examples like orchids. Orchids as a best example, and vanda as a best example. Next, under velamen roots, photosynthetic, which are also green, velamen roots, example, Teniophyllum. This is important MCQ. Important MCQ, Teniophyllum. So these are also called as air plants. So these are some type, we can say some type of nutrient absorbing from the host plant. So a little bit of partial parasites, like epiphytes can be partial parasites because they are absorbing moisture from the air and a little bit of nutrients from the host plant. Parasites. There are some other types of plants that are completely dependent on the host plant. So, other types of roots are parasitic roots. As they are completely depending on the host, we can also say they are obligate parasites. Parasitic plants. So examples we can take here as cuscuta, which is also called as a marble. So cuscuta has special roots that absorb water from xylem directly from the host and food from phloem of host called, the special roots are called hostoria. Hostoria. Next. But the complete plant, it remains outside only. Outer layer of cuscuta, it remains outside. So we can say, so here I will draw the diagram. So if this is the root of cuscuta and this is the host plant, we will mention with the different colors. Think that this is xylem. X, Y, L, E, L. This is phloem. Green color one is phloem. Now, cuscuta has direct contact with xylem for water, next direct contact with phloem for food. So this total root is called hostoria. Total root is called hostoria. Means from xylem water is entering into cuscuta. From phloem food is entering into cuscuta. So now we'll mention this is host plant. We'll write outer layer of hostoria is outside host. Only the parts of xylem and phloem of the roots will be penetrated into the host plant. So just before we have seen, so these are considered as obligate parasites, means complete parasites. So these are epiphytes, these are hostoria, and this is about Valemen roots.